faults you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You cannibal, you meat eater, you see. But I have seen the same. I know there's shame in your defeat. Choke on the noose around your neck, and I'm strength and pain, and I will change my ways, know my name as it's cold again. You take yours and I'll take mine. Now let me at the truth, restore, refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post and all my ears. I can see riddles and roll, spill my tears. Know my cause, despite my faults, despite my growth. Yeah! Your king looking on your highs and see the world hang upside down. You can understand dependence and know their makers high. So make your silence call and sing all you want. I will not hear what you have to say, 'cause I need freedom now, and I to know how to live my life is expensively. Come on, Belfast! We got one more for you. Please open back doors. And all the